Okay, I've been asked how to do this, so I'm going to attempt to merge branch 2 into branch 3 using the GitHub UI. So I go to the branch menu, I merge into current branch, and now it allows me to select branch 2. So now I have a conflict. So let's see if we can resolve the conflict. I'm just going to use the modified branch from 3 because this is sample scene unity, which I believe is done. So continue the merge, and that's it. So now let's see what our player looks like. Okay, so after a few manual mods to the project, it seemed it didn't carry over my input manager as a player property. So I had to add that back in, and now we are playing. At least I thought we were. And my character can move.
I'm so excited.
Jump doesn't work. Oh, and look doesn't work. Okay, so, well, at least he can move.